We'll guide you through how to make a passcode Google form. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to limit who can access specific content in a Google form. Teachers, event organizers, and trainers often need a simple way to prevent unauthorized users from viewing questions or materials. Since Google Forms does not have a built-in passcode feature, this tutorial explains a practical workaround to control access and protect important information. To begin this tutorial, as an example, choose the Google Chrome browser to begin creating a Passcode Google Form. To make a Passcode Google Form, double-click the browser to open it on your device. In Chrome, type docs.google.com into the search bar, then press Enter to continue. Next, click the three-line icon or the More icon to open the main menu. Then select the Forms option at the bottom to access your existing forms. Choose a Google form that has been created previously and needs restricted access. Next, click Settings. Because Google Form does not support a passcode feature directly, click the Questions tab as an alternative method to control access. Click Add Section to place the protected questions into Section 2. Give the same title to Section 2 so it appears consistent with the main form content. In Section 1, add a question with the text Enter passcode to act as a security step. Change the question type to multiple choice so responses can be controlled. Add several options, for example 5 options, because more options will increase security. Then click the More Options icon on the right side of the question. Set one correct option to go to Section 2 using section navigation rules. Set the other options to submit form so incorrect answers in the process. Enable the required option for the question to prevent skipping. Make sure the answer key is set to 0 points to avoid scoring confusion. Click Preview to test the form behavior. Answer the question correctly as an example. Then click Next to proceed. You will successfully enter Section 2 and view the protected content. Click back and try answering with an incorrect option to confirm restrictions. Making a Passcode Google form is successful and helps limit access.